Okay, now we will introduce the multifunction Hydrofacial machine. This is the Diamond Dermabrasion working handle. This is the Hydra Dermabrasion working handle. Skin scrubber, ice hammer, spray mist gun, and these are the polar RF. There are total 4 pieces. Okay, this is the EMS 4 polar RF. This is the EMS bipolar RF. Okay, when we start the machine, we can enter into this screen. There are total 4 languages for option. Now we choose English. You can see that here is different functions for option. Here is the Hydra Dermabrasion and Diamond Dermabrasion working handle for option. And after choosing that, we should also choose the water bottle. Okay. And setting the treatment time. Okay, start. And this one is the spray mist gun. Setting the treatment time. Start. And the next one is the EMS bipolar RF. Also setting the treatment time and the strength. After that, press start button. This one is the same as the bipolar RF. Next one is the fractional RF working handle option. There are total 4. You can choose one of them and setting the treatment time and the strength, press. And next one is the skin scrubber. Okay, the same operation. Choose the mode. Start. Okay. And next one is the ice hammer. We can set in the treatment time. Start. Okay, here is 2 buttons. This one is the water flow adjustment. Okay, you can adjust to the maximum or the minimum. And here is the vacuum level adjust. You can also setting. Okay, now we install the working handle. Okay, here is the Hydra Dermabrasion tube. We just need to match the hole. For example, the small tube insert to the small hole, and the big tube insert to the big hole. Just press is okay. When you want to remove that, please press the black button here. Press and then pull out. Okay, the same operation. And the next one is the Diamond Dermabrasion working handle. The same operation with the Hydra Dermabrasion working handle. Okay, and for other working handles, we just need to match the marks. Okay, you can see different marks here. Just need to match the marks and then insert the tube. Press. Last step, tie it. Okay, finish. Other is the same operation. Okay, this is the wastewater bottle. When the water is full inside, we have to release the water inside. Okay, there are 2 solutions. The first one is we can turn this bottle and then release the water. Okay, there are another solution that we can insert a tube just like this. Insert a tube to this hole and then turn this black button. Then the water is released. When you want to remove this tube, we have to press this black button, press, and then pull out. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the fractional RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on your treatment part. Now we start the treatment. And the different treatment area, you can choose the different fractional RF working handle.